Hi everyone, my name is Mark and I'll be taking you on how to create a YouTube channel. So first things first, you need to go into your Google Chrome. We all know that Google owns YouTube, so that's why you need a Google Gmail account for you to set up a YouTube channel. So for this tutorial, we already created a Gmail account for this purpose, but you can use your personal Gmail account that you had before. Maybe you haven't created a channel on it before, you can use that one, or you can create a new one. So you can come here, access the YouTube web app. So when you're making a new account, you will notice that your YouTube is empty. That's because you've never searched on it. YouTube doesn't know what you want or what you like. So and it's advisable that before you after you set up a channel, before you set up a channel, you warm up your account by watching different videos, preferably the ones that you are interested in going into. So here now you click on to set up a new account, you just click on this icon here, then you click on create a channel. So it will prompt you to put a name and an handle for your channel. So let us go to ChatGPT to get some ideas of the name of the channel. So now let's say we want to go into the um finance niche. That let's say we want to talk about how to make money online. So we can ask ChatGPT to give me 20 YouTube channel names for a finance niche on how to make money online. So let's see. Okay, let's say we want to go with digital income lab, right? So let's copy digital income lab. So we cannot just copy and paste it here. We need to be sure that no other channel is using it, right? So we can just let's come here. Then let us put our ads, paste the name here to be sure that no other creator is using it. Wait, that was a mistake. Okay, to be sure that no other creator is using it. Let's search. So we can see that okay, this person one subscriber, two subscribers. Okay, one subscriber. So no popular creator is using the name. So the name is actually free. So we can actually use it for our channel. So we'll come back here, paste it here. Then our handle, YouTube will give you us an handle. This handle is very important because this is what we use to we're sharing our links. This handle is just so it should be easy for us to memorize. So let's remove. Let us see. Okay, so let us say we want to use one. Okay, this one is okay. So we can create our channel. And mind you, you can create 5 channels on one Gmail account. Okay, your channel has been created. Check back in a few moments. Okay, so we didn't have to do anything. We just had to refresh the page. So once you're done there, you come to your icon again. Now I want to go into customization of our channel. So we need to go to our YouTube Studio. So click on YouTube Studio. So this takes you to your dashboard where you see everything you need to control your channel. So we want to do customization because we need to put a logo and banner. So customization now. So if you've already done your design on Canva or any editing software, you can upload your pictures here and here. So let's quickly let me show you how to do that with Canva. So once we get to Canva, let's say I want to create a logo first. So just type logo here on that create, see logo. So now since we are doing the name of our channel is what digital income lab. So I just create a logo related to that. Let me just type finance here. Let's see what you give me. Okay. So let's see. Um, okay, I like this. Just change the name of this to digital digital income lab. So make it a little bit bigger. Okay, digital income lab. Let's use this as our logo. Let us save it. This is just tutorial. So if you want to do your logo, you take your time and do your logo. So just save this as our logo. So it has been saved. So let's come here. So click on pictures, upload here. Select on upload. So let's do this. So now for our banner, we'll still have to go to Canva. Let's click on banner. So let us scroll to YouTube banner. We can look for YouTube banner around here. Okay, YouTube banner is here. So click it. We are done with this. Let's cancel this. So something related to finance too. Let's just give it. They can give us a template related to finance. I know we used red in our previous for our logo, so we need something close to red, or we'll make it red. So let's see this. Let's see this. Let's see if we can change the color of this to red. All right. So let's just change this on. Let's just put the name digital income lab. I'm teaching you guys how to make a banner, new videos every day, every Friday. So if we have a website, we can put a website, but we don't need a website. We can delete this. And delete this. And delete all this. So I just want to show you guys that okay. So this is your banner. So we can download this. See if, as I said before, you have to take your time to do your banner. So let's go here and upload. So now we need to take note of what we are seeing here. You can see this is viewable on all devices. So we should make sure that all the details of our logo, our banner design must be visible on this page right here. These other spaces here are for desktop view, and this is for TV. So we must make sure that all the details that we need for our banner must be visible on all devices, both for phone, TV, and desktop. So this is okay. I can still make it a little better by centering it a little bit. So that means I need to like take it down a little bit. So I can come here if I wanted to. I can come here and light, take it a little bit down, right? And download again. Download. Okay. So let me cancel this and re-upload again. Second one. You can see now this is better now. This is like more centered. So you have to make sure that everything is within frame. So this is okay, done. So now we've done that. So this is the name of our channel, Digital Income Lab. This is our handle, the one we set. So you still have a chance. You can change your handle back within 14 days. So once we set it, we cannot change it for 14 days because I change it every 14 days. So description, we can come to ChatGPT to give us a description. So let's give me a brief. So you can copy this. You read it through and make sure that it is perfect for you. So copy this, paste the URL. You Can't do anything about this. If you have a website, you can add your website here, your email address, the one you want people to contact you with. Because once you open a YouTube channel, after a while, once you are growing, people will want to contact you. So you have to put your email address here. So watermark. If you want watermark to be on your video, you can upload the watermark here. So it's optional. So after your customization, the next thing we go to is our settings. So we'll go to settings. So on general, we have currency. So this is the currency where after we've got to monetize, this is the currency in which our money will be displayed in. So we can select US dollars, we can select Canadian dollars, we can select pounds or naira, anyone that's convenient with you. So then you go to your channels. Here you select the country, your country of residence. You select where you are making your videos from. I need to advise you guys that it doesn't matter the country you select, because YouTube does not pay you based on where you are making your videos from. They pay you based on who is consuming your content. So it won't affect the way you get paid on YouTube. So you can put any country you want. But I prefer to leave it blank till I'm about to get monetized. Then I put my country of residence. Then for keywords, you put keywords that are related to your niche so that when people are searching for it, your channel will come up. So you can use ChatGPT to give you some ideas on what to do. So I already pasted it here already. Give me 25 keywords that will improve my SEO for my YouTube channel called Digital Income Labs. So that's giving me some ideas, so I can just copy and paste them on the channel. So I will do this and come back. Okay, so I've pasted everything that is important. And also note that I included the channel's name here because it's also important to put your channel name. So in case someone searches for your channel name, it will pop up. So I included it here in Digital Income Lab. So now we go to the advanced settings. On the advanced settings, we work on our audience. So now, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? So now, if your channel is kid content, you can click yes. But if it's not kids content, you have to click no, because if you click yes and you're posting content that's not meant for kids, YouTube will delete your channel. So to be on the safe side, just click no. Google Ads link account linking. This is when you get paid. So you can set this one up later. Then automatic caption. Do not show potentially inappropriate words. Check it. Automatic dubbing. You also have to check all this. Check it because it's an advantage for you. It means that YouTube can show your content to other countries that speak a different language, like let's say French or Spanish. So automatic dubbing will automatically translate your audio tracks into different languages and add them to your video. So it will give you more audience. So it's good. Advertisements, you don't disable advertisement. If not, you won't get paid. So you have to leave it on. Leave it like this. Then for clips, it's free advertisement for you because other people can use your content to clip. So video quality, you leave it like this. Third party training, it's okay like this. Then for future eligibility, this one is already enabled automatically. Then for intermediate features, so for you to be able to create custom thumbnails, live stream, and post videos longer than 15 minutes, you need to verify your phone number. So you just click here, verify your phone number. You put a phone number that is okay with you, Nigeria phone number, any number. So I'll do this and come back. So once you've verified your phone number, it will change to enabled. They'll send you an OTP, which you fill, and it will change to enabled. So after that, you go to your advanced features. These advanced features now is for you to get extra features for your YouTube channel. So, and it's very, very important before you can, because you must enable this before you be eligible to apply for monetization. So it just requires you doing video verification and valid ID. Then this channel history just means that they can automatically enable you if you've been grinding for like 2 months and they take notice of you. So yeah, after this you can go to your upload defaults. So this one you leave it blank because not all your uploads will be the same thing. Your descriptions will also be blank because not all your descriptions will be the same thing. So for visibility now, it's good to leave it at unlisted, because in case you make a mistake by uploading a video that you've not like finished like working on, so that it won't like go straight to your audience, you can still have a chance to like delete it or re-edit it. So it's good to leave it as unlisted. Therefore, tags now, these are like for each video, right? So I kept finance and how to make money online, because I feel like it will be constant across any video that we'll post on this channel, because this is a finance niche on how to make money online. So now I can add extra tags depending on the video I'm posting. Let's say I'm posting on how to make money on let's say on YouTube now. So I can now like okay, target YouTube, add extra more tags related to YouTube. Let's say I want to do on a different platform. Let's say like I want to do on how to make money with TikTok shop. So I can also type TikTok. But I left this one here. I left this two because I know that it will be constant across any video I post. So that's for that. So I'll go to my advanced settings. My advanced settings for category, this category now shows the niche that you are in. So we are in the finance niche, and finance niche is basically still education. So that's why I selected education. So you select education niche. The rest you leave it the way it is. Then we go to permissions. Under permissions, now this is where we give people the rights to like access our accounts. So you are the owner, your name will be here with your email address. So you can invite other people to um maybe manage, edit, view. So in case you just want someone to just like maybe give you advice on your channel without the person affecting anything in your channel, you can give him the viewers access and put his email address, then just click done. That's all. So it's just for you to manage who and who can access your account. So that's for that. So now we'll go into community moderation. So under community moderation, content control. So yeah, your comment has to be on. YouTube don't like when your comment is off, so you leave it on. Moderation basic. Then live chat, if you're on live, you can leave it as none. Then blocked word. These are like words that you don't want people to be able to comment on your videos. So you can remove some racist word or some vocal words like or any vocal word, right? So or any racist words or any word that is like consistent as you've started posting. People are just like targeting your channel. You can block some words here. So that's that. So we can go to user management. User management, choose who can moderate and participate. So this is when you have moderators, you can add them here. Then channel guidelines is for you to read the channel guidelines. The agreements, that's all. So once you're done, you click on save. You've saved it. So that's all. So you can head over here, click on your accounts to view your channel. So this is your channel. This is the banner we created. This is the logo. Then this is our description. This is what the audience will see. Then if one of the audience wants to contact you, they can view your email address. It will pop up here. So that's all. Then if you want to start posting, you can just start creating. You can click create here or here. So you click create here, you can upload your videos. So then you start uploading videos and start aiming to get monetized. So that's all you need to know on how to set up your YouTube channel. Thank you very much.